Okay, I have my holes lined out, and I am going to try to tap them, and then if I have any problem, I'll oversize and use the quarter 20. I've got my 13 64th drill, 64s, and I did move these lines over a little bit. Oops. Okay. And these are going to be moved a little bit. I'll go get the tap and I'll be right back. I'm going to tap the plastic out here. Now I'll get my bolts together and we'll mount the motor. So now we'll attach the motor. Put the motor up there. Alright, I can definitely see I've got more plastic than I need, so I think I'm going to go ahead and mark that and cut it before I attach the motor here. Get a little mark there. I'm going to go ahead and Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and sand this edge here and round the corners over, and maybe I'll try to sand that off too. Okay, I got the sanding done and the board cut, and we'll go ahead and mount the motor now. And these bolts are probably going to go all the way through. And if they do, I'll probably just put nuts on the bottom. And then it won't be a question. Okay, so now we'll take the motor over and put it on the pivot bolt. And if I planned and did everything right, this should go on here. Okay. So now I need to get a key shaft for the keyway for the pulley. You can see there's keyway. And then I'll get it aligned properly, and then we'll put the belt on and get it tight. Okay. Kind of started this first one a little bit. Need to get it lined up. To tighten up. Okay, got that on there. And then this one here, kind of line that one up. I got the key stock in there. You can see that right there. So I'm just going to get those in alignment, and then I'll tighten this one up. So I doubt I can get it so you can see the alignment, but that's pretty close right there. Okay. And I'm going to just test fit the belt, and then I want to make sure the motor's spinning in the correct direction. So there's the belt. Okay. So the belt's installed and it's in line, and so now I'm just going to put the motor and make sure it's going in the right direction. Otherwise, I have to rewire the motor. Okay, so I just got a suicide plug. My buddy Steve made it. Yeah, I want to take this belt off. And we'll just plug it in. I'm not going to do the wiring in this video, but I just want to make sure that it's going the right way. It's going that way. We'll drive this way. Which, you know, it's the wrong direction. So I'll go ahead and rewire this, and for the other direction. Now I've reversed the motor leads. Let's see if it goes in the right direction. Let's see here. Yeah, that looks right. Okay. So, installing the belts. Hollow. I'm go ahead and do this live. I don't have everything just perfect just yet, but I do have the upper guide in, and I got the belt on, and I want to see the motor run the saw and see how well it goes. So, here goes now.
So here's the bandsaw now with the motor installed. It's pretty satisfying to get to this part of the project. I have to create the lower guide, the blade guide, and I have a few thoughts on how to do that. So that'll be in an upcoming video in this series. Thank you very much for watching.